guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you how to crochet half moon shape bag, this type of bag. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will show you the shape of the bag also. It's supposed to be like this, and I will show you the inside also. It's quite big and it's look very nice. You can see this. Even the back side also, it can be any side. You can see this. So let's start now. So I'll show you all the required material. First we need a t-shirt yarn, this type of t-shirt yarn. Then we need a 6.5 hook. Then we need a handle, this type of ring circle handle. It's a wooden one. So for this bag we need 30 chains. So let's make 30 chains like this as usual. Now we have completed 30 chains. So let's start the first round. This time we will not skip the first stitch, so we have to crochet from the first stitch like this, single crochet from the first stitch till end. Now first round is completed. Then from the second round we are going to crochet single 5 single chains, 5 single chains, then 1 half double crochet, then 16 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, then 5 single crochet. So I'll show you how to do that. First let's crochet 5 single chains, like this. Now we have completed the double crochet, 16 double crochet, then half double crochet. Pattern should be the same like this. After that, single crochet, 5 single crochet, like this. Here also 5 single crochet. Here also same 5 single crochet. Like this. Now we have completed the second round. You can see this double crochet 16. Then first we need a 5 single crochet, then half double crochet 1, then 16 double crochet. Now let's crochet the third round. First we need 5 single crochet, like this. It's 5 now. After that, we need one single crochet, take the yarn like this, then we have to pull out the hook like this, and this time double crochet like this, 16 double crochet, and after that we have to make it half, one half double crochet, then 5 single crochet. So we need to make it 26 rounds. I have completed the 26 rounds. You can see the back of the bag. And this time I am going to crochet single crochet in this side, and the other side we will not do the single crochet because we have done it in the first round single crochet. So we are going to crochet single crochet only in this side like this. This time we are doing single crochet, only single crochet, no half, no double crochet, only single crochet till the end of the round like this. I have completed the single crochet, you can see this, and after that we are going to crochet reverse crochet body side. So I'll show you how to do. First, take a one single chain up, then insert the hook here from the reverse side like this, then again insert the hook from the reverse side like this, again insert the hook from the reverse side, then take the yarn and pull out the hook like this. This reverse shape, I mean reverse crochet, give a nice pattern. You can see it gives a nice pattern, and we are going to crochet both the sides. I have completed the reverse crochet, you can see. Now let's pull out the yarn like this, and I have done the other side also to save time for you, you can see. And before we attach the handle, I will tie the yarn here to hold the half moon shape nicely. So tie the yarn here from the first row like this in a repeating manner, the repeating pattern in 2 rows. After that you have to skip 2 rows, then you have to pull out the yarn like this, then you have to skip again 2 rows, 1 2, then you have to take the yarn inside like this, except the reverse crochet. You have to repeat this till here. I have already tied the yarn here, you can see, and I will pull the yarn like this, and it's giving a shape, moon shape. You can see this like this, and the other side also I have already attached the tied the yarn to save time for you. This also I will pull it, and the shape is like this. It's a half moon shape, and we are going to attach the handle here like this. Now let's attach the handle. Pull out the yarn outside, pull out the yarn out, and insert the hook from here, from inside, and take the yarn inside like this. Then after that, wrap the yarn around the handle. We are going to wrap the yarn around the handle 3 times in the 1/4 where the yarn comes out. Now it's 3 times, so we have to wrap the yarn around the handle 3 times. Then we have to skip the 2 rows. We have to skip these 2 rows. Then we have to insert the handle from inside and take the yarn inside like this. This time also we are going to wrap the yarn around the handle 3 times in a 1/4. We are going to insert the yarn 3 times. So we have to insert the yarn 3 times through the one hole where the yarn comes out. Now skip the 2 rows, then insert the hook from inside, then take the yarn inside. Like now I have already attached the handle, and let's hide the yarn. Here like this, and it's quite big, you can see, like this. And I have already attached the another side also to save time for you. And the shape of the bag, it's like this. It's look very nice. This is how I made half moon shape bag. It's very easy and simple, so please try at home. and I hope you like my video. It will be very helpful to you. So please keep watching my video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.